In previous lessons, you learned about pH and its role in the living world. This lesson focuses on an environmental issue related to pH, acid rain. pH of normal rain is about 5.6, a little less than neutral. This is because the rain mixes with carbon dioxide in the atmosphere to make carbonic acid. Here is a map of the United States showing acid precipitation patterns across the country. Lower pHs are shown in red. You can see that the most problematic areas are in the northeastern part of the United States. Acid rain forms when sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide from car and power plant emissions mix with water vapor in the atmosphere. The result is sulfuric acid and nitric acid, which lowers the pH of precipitation to levels as low as 2.4. Once formed, acid precipitation can cause harm to bodies of water like lakes and oceans, soils and the plants that grow in them, the atmosphere, buildings, monuments, and other materials made by man, and human health. Let's take an in-depth look into the effects of acid rain on each of these items. Acid rain enters a lake or ocean when the precipitation falls directly onto the body of water, or when it runs off the surrounding land into the body of water. Decreased pH as a result of acid rain can directly kill aquatic organisms, such as fish. Fish use their gills to extract oxygen from the water. With a lowered pH, mucus clogs their gills, and they are unable to breathe the oxygen that's in the water. Additionally, a low pH can disrupt reproductive cycles and even kill the offspring of aquatic organisms. Eggs that are produced are damaged, and some young are even born with deformities. Acid rain can affect nutrient uptake in plants and even poison them. Sulfuric acid can release heavy metals in the soil, like aluminum, for example, which is toxic to plants and hinders their growth. Acid rain kills the most sensitive organisms first, but even the most resilient are harmed when food webs begin to collapse. Birds, for example, cannot survive if their prey item has disappeared. That means that they will have to find new hunting grounds or die. In addition to harming bodies of water, acid rain has a great impact on soils. Nutrients are leached from the soils as a result of acid rain, and aluminum, an element that is toxic to plants, is released. This reduces a plant's ability to make its own food through photosynthesis, and the plant can die. Soil acidification also reduces a plant's ability to withstand frost and makes them more susceptible to disease and pests. Acid rain contributes to some of the pollutants that cause smog. You can see how smog affects visibility in this cityscape. No one wants to breathe this dirty air. It is unhealthy for both plants and animals that live in smoggy areas, and even those living far away, since this pollution can be blown into remote areas. Acid rain corrodes buildings and statues, damaging them to the point where they could become structurally unsound. Acid rain can damage the paint job on your car, and even priceless works of art. All this adds up to lots of money being spent to repair the damage caused by acid rain. Acid pollution can cause serious health problems, like asthma and other respiratory conditions. It causes heavy metals to be dissolved in water and absorbed into the food we eat. This can potentially cause brain damage or kidney failure. It's scary to think how far-reaching the effects of acid rain can be. In summary, acid rain is predominantly a human-caused problem that has serious impacts on the environment and our health.